In this period of arithmetic in class 8A, we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 2, exponents and powers. In this chapter mainly, we will see the explanation of these two terms. The first is positive integers as exponent of rational number, and second is negative integers as the exponent of rational number. For that we have taken some example. For this 10, we can write 10 to the power 1. So this 1 is called index, or what do you say, index or exponent. Similarly, this 2 is also index or exponent, as we have written 100. 10 into 10 equal to 10 square. This 2 is index or exponent, and 10 square is exponential form of 100. One more example, 1000. For 1000 we can write 10 into 10 into 10 equal to 10 cube. This cube is index or exponent, as we read is it to the power 10 to the power cube, and this whole 10 cube became the exponential form of 1000. Now we consider about a rational number whose numerator is p and denominator is q. P is multiplied n times and q is also multiplied n times. Equal to, we can write this multiplication as p index n by q index n, or we read it as p to the power n by q to the power n is equal to p by q whole power n, or index n. This index is exponent, power, this is the singular form, index is the singular form, its plural form will be indices. So p by q is the rational number and n is the positive integer. In this form of in this exponential form of p by q, we say n is the positive integer and of rational number p by q. The second part of the explanation of this chapter, that is related with the first exercise of the chapter, negative integer as exponent of a rational number. Negative integer. If we keep this is the negative integer. We write negative integer. What do you mean by this? It means 1 by 10 equal to 1 by 10 to the power 1, or we write 1 by 10. Second, you take minus 2. This is also negative integer. What does it mean? It means 1 by 10 square equal to 1 by 10 into 10 equal to 1 by 100. So in these two examples, what did you see? If we write the negative integer as the index, then to change that into positive integer, we write the reciprocal of that number, 10 to the power minus 1. If we want to change this into plus 1, then we write reciprocal of this, 1 by 10 to the power 1, then this one will be positive. Then if we calculate, we got 1 by 10. Minus 2 is the negative integer. We want to change it into plus 2. So we write the reciprocal of this number. So that will be 1 by 2 square. So this minus 2 is changed into plus 2. And we can write now 1 by 10 into 10 equal to 1 by 100. Suppose, now third example, we write a by b to the power minus n, where this is the negative integer. We want to change this negative integer into positive integer, so we write the reciprocal of this rational number. That will be 1 by a by b to the power n. If you calculate it, then what are you getting? A to the power n by b to the power n. If we calculate it, we separate this index with the numerator and denominator, we get 1 by a to the power n by b to the power n. So we can write it as 1 by 1 into b to the power n will go up, a to the power n will remain down. So this became b to the power n by a to the power n. So in this, what are you saying? This is the negative integer of the rational number a by b. To change that into positive integer, we write the reciprocal of this number or the rational number that I have done here. Let us come to a start exercise 2a, in which question number 1, we are asked to evaluate Roman number 1. That question is 15 square. Meaning is clear. 15 into 15 equal to 225. Roman number 2. 4 by 11 to the power 4. So 4 will be multiplied 4 times and 11 will also be multiplied 4 times. This multiplication of numerators became 256 and denominator will be 121 into 121. One four six four one by 14641. 4 by 11 to the power 4. 4 by 11 to the power 4. 4 will be multiplied 4 times, 11 will be multiplied 4 times. This multiplication became 256 by 14,641. Roman number 3. That is minus 13 by 25 whole cube. This minus 13 will be multiplied 3 times and 25 will also be multiplied 3 times. We got minus minus plus minus minus. 13 13 is 169 into one more 13. This became 2197 by, if we multiply 25 3 times, we get 125 into 25. 125 into 25 is equal to 25 5s are 125 in hand 12, 25 2s are 50 and 12 62 in hand 6, 25 1s are 25 and 6 31. 3 1 2 5. Minus 13 by 25 whole cube equal to minus 2197 by 3125. In question number 2, we are asked to find the value of 8 to the power minus 3. So this is the negative integer. So if we change that into positive integer, that minus 3 should be changed into positive integer by writing the reciprocal of this number. So this will be 1 by 8 cube. It means we multiply 8 3 times and we got 8 8 is 64. 64 into 8. 1 by 512. Roman number 2, minus 4 to the power minus 4. So at first we change this negative integer into positive integer by writing the reciprocal of this. So we write now 1 by minus 4 to the power 4. Meaning is clear. Minus 4 will be multiplied by minus 4 will be multiplied 4 times. So this became right here 1 by minus minus plus, plus minus minus and minus minus plus. This will be plus with plus 4096. One more question let us solve. That is question number 3. This is 1 by minus 5 minus 2. So if we write this with the positive integer, we write the reciprocal of this 1 by minus 5, this whole square. Now we can say 1 by minus 1 by 5 into minus 1 by 5. 1 by minus minus plus 1 by 25. So 1 by 1, this symbol will be changed into the symbol of multiplication. This symbol will be changed into the symbol of multiplication. Then we write this, a reciprocal of this 25 will go up and 1 will remain down. So it became 25. In question number 1, the last Roman number, that was Roman number 4, and in question number 2, the last Roman number, that is Roman number 4. These two are only in your homework.